right, so to replace these horns, you can go from underneath on the passenger side, right where the fog light is, look straight up. You'll see the electrical connector right here. Press on the locking tab and disconnect it. And right between the two horns, you'll see a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and get that one off, and that is the mounting bolt for the whole assembly here. Take the mounting bolt out, and here are the horns. There you have it. Now take your new horns, slide them up into position, and make sure that they kind of line up with the bolt hole. Okay, the bolt's threading in, perfect. Now the bracket has a little tab up top, and there's a hole right next to the bolt hole that makes sure that these stay locked in. So make sure that that tab goes into the mounting hole for that. Make sure this is nice and snug. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug in the wiring harness right over here. Make sure that clicks. Now you can give them a test, and down the road you go.